What's up, ladies and gents? Quick little drive. It says it should take about 9 minutes. I'm in Penrose Avenue, down by the Wawa and the Chick-fil-A, leaving out of the Chick-fil-A parking lot. But to head to the car wash, car a little dirty, pulling out of the Chick-fil-A parking lot. Let's see how it handles, because it's pretty busy here. And FSD is supposed to be going to the left, turn signal on. But as soon as I turn the corner, you'll see a truck parked right here. There's another one coming in, but FSD is deciding to go to the right, which is perfect. We're gonna come here, stop with the stop sign. Great job. All right, probably get honked at. Nah. So I'm gonna hit this right. I may yield. It cuts right out. Great job. All right, so now we're getting in the left lane to proceed all the way down 20th Street. So we get up here, we have a roundabout we have to go around. FSD is pretty good on roundabouts. So I'm not worried about it. I'm not scared. Windshield is pretty dirty. I know it may rain today, but I have a membership at the gym, so at the gym. Yeah, at a car wash. So now that we have a little issue, right? Because this BMW in front of us needs to be in the leftmost lane to go towards 26th Street or 76 West, and he's gonna have to make his way around, and FSD has to navigate. Which BMW driver did what a BMW driver did, and FSD didn't have to do nothing different. I say put the turn signal on to get in the center lane, which you can't really see the lanes because it's faded out on this road. But it does a great job on predicting the lanes, though. Hopefully this traffic light don't catch us. For those who needs to know, I am on the I'm driving the Model Y. Is a 2023 version with a hardware 4. I am currently in the chill profile, but when I got the latest update of this thing, it's 2025.2.7, I think it is. For some reason, it seemed like chill mode drives are a little bit more aggressive, and it's a lot more confident when it comes down to trying to change lanes. All right, he's reacting to this pedestrian right here. It slows down and let him cross. Great job, because they will be standing in the middle of the road. Great interaction. Almost stopped for the acceptor bus, but it did not. So I'm glad, because we got it right away. So to me, it seemed like it's more courteous to pedestrians than it is to actual motor vehicles. When it's trying to cut into a lane, it does not hesitate, even though it's in chill mode. It don't hesitate if it needs to take the lane. All right, so we're at Oregon and 20th Street right now. It's saying we're going down to Shunk Street, and then we make a left there. Now let's see how far will it take us into the car wash. No, car wash might be busy at this time because it's peak time for car wash. We got people abusing the left lane and going straight. Excuse me. It's allergy seasons, so it's getting to me a little bit. All right, so it comes to a stop. They're letting us go. I'm just gonna tap the accelerator just a little bit because the guy waved me on. Didn't hit the accelerator. Just wanted to make sure it didn't come there and start hesitating, because sometimes at an intersection it seems to do that. All right, so our next turn, come up to this stop sign, taking it right. FSD does a great job as putting on the turn signal before it gets to the intersection. Interaction with a car. They hesitated. FSD decided to go, and it did not stop when they tried to go ahead again. So the interaction with these intersections is pretty confident. If you sit there for too long, FSD will actually move along. I said, no, this guy just stopped in the middle of the road. FSD did a good job going around. It was kind of close, but it looked like he's lost. Let's see how far up FSD goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna hit the accelerator pedal and let it choose a lane. And it puts him in the right lane. Now will it proceed up? Now I'm gonna tap the accelerator pedal again. And this might be where it ends, but I have the membership for the car wash, so it'll open up. And I might have to tap the accelerator pedal for it to go through. So yeah, you don't want to go. Oh, there we go. Nope. Okay, I guess he made his mind up. All right, so he put me at the gate of the car wash. I'm gonna have to take over here and do it manually now at this point, because we have to go in car wash mode and disable all the cameras and stuff. So, all right, guys, thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.